Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you all some of the Preciosa crystals. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what I call them. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I got them on a huge discount. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you all exactly how much they cost. After the discount, I got 50% off everything, you guys. So I got all of these for about, well, I guess I can tell you now. I got all of these for about $40. It came up to $42.27. I saved $40. So I literally got all of these for 50% off, you guys. Like, the deal was so good. So I did get all of these. I'm gonna open them up and we can go over like how much of a difference they are compared to my other stones. Like, I'm gonna show you all just some stones that I got from like Shein, and I will show you all the difference in like the shine of them. I will try to show you all in some sunlight as well, because that really exposes the difference. But let's just go ahead and get into it. So I am going to be taking these out and storing these in a box, just because I'm tired of like going through the little boxes. These are the ones I got on my last Hobby Lobby video. If you have not checked that out, I will link it above here for you all. But I got these and a few more. Hopefully I can find them so that I can combine them in this box as well. I got this one as well on the last haul. And I had some real colorful ones. I have no idea where they are, but I do have some colorful ones. If I find them, I will definitely put them in this box. But we're just gonna go ahead and open each one by one, and I will show you all how they look in comparison to just regular like AB crystals or regular crystals that you would get off Shein, AliExpress, or Amazon. Okay, so the first ones that we're gonna look at are these are so pretty, y'all. Like, I just love how they look. These are Maxima Flatback Nail Combo Roy GBV. I have no idea. But these don't give me the size, I don't think. Some of them will give you the size at the bottom, and they'll tell you like if they're 12SS, 12, 6SS. Oh, here they are right here. So we have 5SS, 7SS, and 9SS. So 9SS is the biggest of them all, which are these right here. And then we have the crystal, topaz, capri, blue, amethyst, shamrock. Yeah, and those are all the different colors. So these are really, really pretty. Like, I just cannot get over how pretty they are. Like, in comparison to, let's see, like these, just through the box alone, you can tell the difference. Okay, so excuse me. But these shine, however, they do not like glisten. I don't know if y'all can see that, but just from certain angles, it's just like right here. Can y'all see that? Like how they sparkle? These do not do that, but they are shiny. So you can definitely see the difference. At least I can. I would try to take a few of these outside so that you could see them. Especially, I'm gonna compare these outside to the other ones, and we'll see which ones look the cutest. But I'm just gonna put all of these in a box and as we go. So I did want to show you all really quickly. This is how the back of these look. And those are the ones that have the holes in them. So they are for like sewing on something. However, I'm definitely going to use them on the nails because they were too pretty and I just had to get them. So right here, you guys, on the left row, we have at the top Shein. Then the middle, we have my stones from my website, but those are in a smaller size than what I give you on my website. And then we also have at the bottom on the left, we have another pair of Shein stones. Now on the right, we have the Preciosa, and those are all of the ones that I unboxed for you today, except for the top ones. The top ones I got from my last haul. Those are the orange. The left one from Shein are also orange, but you can clearly see the difference in the color of them and how they would sparkle more than the Shein ones. So I definitely have one over the other for the Preciosa stones compared to the Shein ones as far as the colorful ones. And then that came in that particular box that I got from Shein that you saw. Then the middle ones on the right are also Preciosa, and those are just the crystal clear diamond type ones. They're called crystal on the pack though. And those are the same exact ones that are on the left. However, the ones on the left I have on my website if you are looking for some. And those I can say were the closest to the Preciosa, or however you pronounce it. Y'all, I hate that I have to keep saying the word. But in comparison, I definitely just wanted to show you all and give you a real close glimpse of how they look in comparison to one another. Like I said, if you are looking for some crystal stones, they are on sale on my website if you are trying to check those out. Now, for the life of me, I could not find the original colorful stones that I have that are in different sizes and shapes. If you have seen my other Hobby Lobby video, you will know exactly which ones I'm talking about. They are neon, but I could not find them for whatever reason. However, I did want to show you these in the sunlight outside, and just to show you how all of them sparkle. They are super, super pretty, you guys. Like, I mean, super pretty. And they are, again, 50% off. So if you are looking for stones, this is where you should definitely go and find some. They are at Hobby Lobby. They have them in like the arts and crafts section, and you will see like other beaded jewelry and stuff like that in the section as well. But yeah, the first time I went, they were 50% off, and this time I went, they were 50% off. So I feel like they're always 50% off. I will also note that I have never been on the actual like Preciosa website to see what the real price is and how much they sell their stones for. So I cannot compare it to that. I just know that Hobby Lobby has them on sale all the time, or at least from the times that I've went, they have always been 50% off. So say if they are $9.99, it's going to run you about $5. So and most of these, the ones that I got, those sizes are all $9.99 and $5.99. So those are the only ones that I bought. I think I had some for $7.99 as well. The highest that they go that I've seen was $12.99, and those were for the neon ones that were in my last Hobby Lobby haul, and those were a little bigger and different shapes, like diamond and oval shapes like that. So if you're looking for bigger stones, I would not suggest Hobby Lobby, but just because I have never seen them, or maybe they have been sold out every time I've went. But you can find them on Blue Streak or any other websites that sell them. I know Blue Streak sells like all different kinds of crystals. They sell these. They sell I think they're called Serenity crystals. Like, they have different types, and I have never purchased from them. However, I will be on their site very soon to purchase some things from them because I do want a little bigger crystals. Now, I did want to show you a comparison of these very, very trendy stones. Everybody uses these now. They are super, super cute. If you are looking for something that shines like these crystals, these are the Preciosa. If you are looking for something that shines like that, I would highly, highly recommend these. They are super pretty on nails, and especially when you surround these by other really pretty crystals, it brings these out. So if you are looking for some crystals that you can get off of Shein that shine almost similar, I would highly suggest these. If you are looking for anything that is more of a crystal clear type of crystal, I would definitely suggest you hit me up and go on my website. I definitely have a few more packs left. I'm not sure how many. I believe I have 8 packs left that have these crystals in them, and they are almost the size of these. I think they're on the bigger side. They're not super small or super tiny. So like I said, if you are looking for anything, 50% off at Hobby Lobby. And also I have 50% off on my website right now. So yeah, you guys, that was pretty much all I had to say. I know the video was super short, but I just wanted to come up here and show you all what I got from Hobby Lobby, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.